right, we're going to do a walkthrough of Sloss furnaces. So let me get over here to the entrance. I'll just take me a moment. There's the bathhouse. We'll come all the way over here. Look, there's Cahaba Brewery right across the street. You want a beverage when you get done? But here we go. Sloss furnaces. This beautiful reflection pond. And then the hangar. We're going to have the hangar set up to be a whoop house. It's going to be the biggest, craziest whoop house we've ever had. It's, yeah, it's going to be awesome. Day glow, bright lights, lots of fun obstacles, and a really big place to fly at night after dark. After you get through the whoop house, you get this lovely spot. This is the primary freestyle flight line. We'll have pilots lined up here across the front, spectators in the back, and then you'll get to fly all of this. We got lots and lots of fun obstacles built in. Wires, of course, can't change that, but we got this crazy 6 spot to freestyle. All sorts of nooks and crannies, and the whole place is ours to do what we want with it. Pretty dang sick. We got another freestyle flight line that's behind this. I'll come back and show you later. But right now, let's go down under the viaduct. We're going to have vendors and food trucks in this area, so you'll have lots of choices of drone parts to buy and food options while you're here for the weekend. It is going to be a full camping overnight event. Campgrounds are going to be set up back here. We'll have lots of tent camping, and of course there are bathhouses on site. And then this area back here is where the race is going to be set up. We're going to have a full 7-inch Pro Spec race. It's MultiGP sanctioned, and they'll be flying the big bad quads here. Qualifier is Sunday morning, and the actual race is Sunday after, let's see, I think 11 to 1. And then the freestyle contest starts up. And when we get the freestyle contest, it's going to take over the main freestyle flight line right here. Fly Tribe is presenting it for us, and the top 3 positions get coins. The top 2 positions are actually going to get plane tickets to the Northwest FPV Park to go to the finals. It's going to be crazy. Plane tickets and a place to stay. All you got to do is show your moves. And when they fire up this side for the freestyle contest, we're going to open up the backside flight line, which is over here. This freestyle flight line is going to open up so that everybody can keep on ripping even when the contest is going. We're planning to have monitors set up so that all the spectators can watch the contest live. It's going to be lots and lots of fun. Come on out, Sloss Drone Derby, hosted by Dearborn Drone Company and Fly High FPV, and sponsored by many amazing groups like Fly Tribe, Odyssey Aerials, and a whole lot more. If you want details, go to dearborndroneco.com. Check out Sloss Drone Derby, April 12th and 13th. It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope to see you there.